Hello, welcome back to Ayaanseasymath. Today we are looking at one Olympiad problem. Given the question, if a square plus b square plus c square plus d square equal to 762, ab plus cd is equal to 260, ac plus bd is equal to 365, ad plus bc is equal to 244, then you have to find the value of abcd, the product of abcd. As you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 500 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. So here, let it be 1, 2, and 3 and 4. So here, a plus b plus c plus d whole square is equal to, first you have to write this formula, a square plus b square plus c square plus d square plus 2ab plus 2cd plus 2ac plus 2bd plus 2ad plus 2bc. So here we know the value of a square b square plus c square plus d square 762 plus 2 into AB plus CD value is 260 plus 2 into AC plus BD value is 365 plus 2 into AD plus BC value is 244. So here if you add all these values, so here you'll get 762 plus 520 plus 730 plus 488, so which gives the value 2500. A plus b plus c plus d whole square is equal to 2500. A plus b plus c plus d is equal to square root of 2500, that is 50. We are taking only positive numbers. Similarly, you can write a plus b minus c minus d. You will get 8. Let it be a, let it be p. The second, let it be q, and a minus b plus c minus d is equal to 22. Let it be r. And the last one, a minus b minus c plus d is equal to 0. Let it be s. P, Q, R, S, we are getting the equations. Now, P plus S, first one and last one, if you add first one and last one, you will get A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 50. Last one, A minus B minus C plus D is equal to 0. Now here BB cancel, CC cancel. 2A plus 2D is equal to 50. A plus D is equal to 25. Now if you take Q plus R, second one and third one, Q plus R Here Q is A plus B minus C minus D is equal to 8. A minus B plus C minus D equal to 22. So here you are adding these two. BB cancel. Here CC cancel. 2A minus 2D is equal to 30. A minus D is equal to 15. Now if you solve this two, A plus D value is 25. A minus D value is 15. So here 2A is equal to 40. A is equal to 20 and D value is 5. A value, D value got. Now we will go to the next step. Now here P minus S. P minus S I am doing. A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 50 minus S minus A plus B plus C minus D equal to 0. So A cancel, DD cancel, 2B plus 2C equal to 50. So B plus C is also equal to 25. Now here R minus S, R minus S what you are having, R is A minus B plus C minus D is equal to 22. R minus S minus A minus B plus C plus D is equal to minus 8. So here what will get? A get cancelled, DD get cancelled, minus 2B plus 2C. Minus 2B plus 2C is equal to 14 minus B plus C is equal to 7. Now here minus B plus C is equal to 7. So 2C is equal to 32. 2C is equal to 32. C is equal to 16. If C is equal to 16, B value is 9. Therefore, what is required? Required A, B, C, D. So here 20 into 9 into 16 into 5. So here 20 into 5, 100 into 16 nines are 144. So 14,400. I hope you understood the video. So thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad.